Welcome to today's video, where we uncover the incredible benefits of eating chia seeds at night. Did you know that while you sleep, your body undergoes essential healing and restoration? But what if a tiny, often overlooked superfood could supercharge this process, boosting metabolism, stabilizing blood sugar, and even supporting cancer prevention, all while you rest? With over 422 million people worldwide suffering from diabetes, millions battling sleep disorders, and obesity rates soaring, finding simple, natural solutions is more important than ever. But could something as small as chia seeds really make a difference? Research suggests that consuming chia seeds before bed may help regulate blood sugar levels, promote weight loss, improve digestion, and even enhance sleep quality. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential minerals, making them a nutritional powerhouse that works while you sleep. But what exactly happens inside your body when you eat chia seeds at night? How do they influence heart health, digestion, and metabolism? And most importantly, how long does it take to notice real results? Stick with us until the end because we're not just revealing the surprising science-backed benefits, we'll also show you the correct way to take chia seeds, the ideal quantity, and how soon you can expect to see real changes. If you're serious about optimizing your health naturally, grab your notepad and get ready for some valuable insights. Just a quick reminder, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Starting with number 1. Promotes better sleep. Eating chia seeds before bedtime may help improve sleep quality thanks to their rich content of tryptophan and magnesium. Tryptophan, an essential amino acid, plays a key role in producing serotonin and melatonin, two hormones that regulate mood and sleep-wake cycles. Research published in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health found that a diet high in tryptophan and magnesium helped reduce anxiety and mood disturbances in women with fibromyalgia, factors that can significantly impact sleep quality. Beyond tryptophan, chia seeds are also an excellent source of magnesium, a mineral essential for relaxation. Magnesium activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps the body unwind, and it also regulates melatonin levels, ensuring a more stable sleep pattern. Additionally, the high fiber content in chia seeds helps balance blood sugar levels throughout the night, preventing insulin spikes that could lead to sleep disturbances. Incorporating chia seeds into your evening routine, whether in a smoothie, yogurt, or chia pudding, may support a deeper, more restful sleep by leveraging these powerful nutrients. Moving to number 2. Aids in weight loss. Adding chia seeds to your evening routine may support weight loss efforts. A 2024 systematic review in nutrition and metabolism found that consuming 30 grams of chia seeds daily for 6 months led to significant reductions in both weight and waist circumference among overweight individuals. The secret lies in chia seeds' high fiber content, which promotes fullness and satiety, potentially lowering overall calorie intake. Additionally, these tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to improved metabolic health. Incorporating chia seeds at night, whether in a pudding, smoothie, or yogurt, may help curb late-night cravings, support digestion, and contribute to better weight management over time. Next, number 3. Regulates blood sugar. Imagine a simple nighttime habit that helps keep your blood sugar stable. Eating chia seeds before bed may do just that. These tiny superfoods are loaded with soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like substance in the stomach, slowing digestion and the absorption of carbohydrates. This gradual process helps prevent sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels during the night, promoting steady energy levels while you sleep. But fiber isn't the only key player. Chia seeds are also rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Research published in the Journal of Nutrients in 2023 found that ALA may enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to manage blood sugar more efficiently. By incorporating chia seeds into your evening routine, whether in a smoothie, yogurt, or pudding, you harness the dual benefits of fiber and ALA. Together, they support better insulin function and balance blood sugar levels while you rest. Moving to number 4. Improves digestion and gut health. Did you know that a simple bedtime snack could transform your gut health? Eating chia seeds in the evening may be the key to better digestion and a healthier gut. These tiny seeds are loaded with soluble fiber, which absorbs water to form a gel-like consistency in the digestive tract. This process helps soften stool and promote regular bowel movements, making mornings more comfortable and reducing the risk of constipation. But chia seeds offer more than just fiber. They contain phenolic compounds, which have been shown to reduce intestinal inflammation and strengthen the gut lining. A 2023 study published in Nutrients found that chia phenolic extract improved small intestinal function and reduced inflammation in vivo, highlighting its gut protective properties. Additionally, chia seeds provide a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help balance gut bacteria and combat inflammation. By incorporating chia seeds into your nighttime routine, whether in a pudding, smoothie, or yogurt, you can harness the combined power of fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats to support optimal digestion and long-term gut health. Next, number 5. Supports heart health. Ending your day with a serving of chia seeds could be a simple yet powerful way to support heart health. These tiny seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. A 2024 study published in the Journal of Food Biochemistry revealed that chia seed supplementation significantly lowered total cholesterol and triglycerides while simultaneously raising high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol, commonly known as the good cholesterol. This combination contributes to better heart function and reduced cardiovascular risk. Additionally, the soluble fiber in chia seeds plays a crucial role in reducing low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol. It binds to bile acids in the intestine, promoting their excretion and encouraging the body to use existing cholesterol to produce more bile acids, effectively lowering overall cholesterol levels. Incorporating chia seeds into your nighttime routine, whether in a pudding, smoothie, or yogurt, not only enhances cardiovascular health but also provides a nutrient-dense boost before bed. Moving to number 6. Hydrates the body overnight. As you wind down for the night, chia seeds can play a crucial role in keeping you hydrated while you sleep. These tiny superfoods have an exceptional ability to absorb water, up to 12 times their weight, forming a gel-like substance when soaked. This gel slows digestion, retains moisture, and helps maintain hydration levels throughout the night. A study published in the International Journal of Food Science emphasized chia seeds' water-absorbing properties, highlighting their potential to enhance hydration when included in the diet. Beyond their impressive ability to retain water, chia seeds are rich in electrolytes like magnesium and potassium, which are essential for fluid balance and cellular hydration. By incorporating chia seeds into your evening routine, whether in a pudding, smoothie, or simply mixed with water, you provide your body with sustained hydration during sleep, supporting overall health, recovery, and well-being. Next, number 7. Reduces inflammation. Struggling with inflammation that disrupts your sleep? Adding chia seeds to your nighttime routine might help. These tiny seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. A 2024 meta-analysis published in the Journal of Nutritional Science found that consuming chia seeds can reduce C-reactive protein, CRP, levels, a key marker of inflammation linked to chronic diseases. But the benefits don't stop there. Chia seeds are also loaded with antioxidants like caffeic acid and chlorogenic acid, which help combat oxidative stress and further ease inflammation. Enjoying a serving of chia pudding or chia-infused water before bed not only curbs late-night cravings but also delivers these inflammation-fighting compounds, promoting a more restful, pain-free sleep. However, while chia seeds offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice on managing inflammation effectively. Next, number 8. Supports bone health. Maintaining strong and healthy bones becomes increasingly important with age, yet many people unknowingly struggle with nutrient deficiencies that impact bone density. Factors like insufficient calcium, low omega-3 levels, and inadequate magnesium intake can contribute to weaker bones over time. Incorporating chia seeds into your evening routine can provide essential nutrients that support bone strength and density. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, particularly rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Nutrients found that long-term consumption of chia seeds was linked to increased bone mineral content in animal models, suggesting potential benefits for human bone health as well. Beyond ALA, chia seeds are also packed with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, three minerals crucial for maintaining bone structure and density. These nutrients work synergistically to support overall skeletal health and strength. Consuming chia seeds before bed ensures your body receives a steady supply of these vital compounds during its overnight regenerative phase, potentially enhancing nutrient absorption and utilization for stronger, healthier bones in the long run. Next, number 9. Detoxifies the body throughout the day. Our bodies accumulate toxins from sources like processed foods, environmental pollutants, and metabolic waste. Over time, these toxins can put stress on the liver and digestive system, potentially leading to fatigue, skin issues, and weakened immunity. Supporting the body's natural detoxification process during the night can be highly beneficial. Adding chia seeds to your evening routine may help eliminate toxins more efficiently. A 2024 study published in Letters in Applied Microbiology found that milled chia seeds have a strong ability to bind and absorb ochratoxin A, ODA, a common food contaminant, effectively reducing its presence in the digestive system. This suggests that chia seeds may aid in trapping and removing certain toxins before they can be absorbed. Additionally, chia seeds are packed with soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like substance in the gut. This helps to regulate bowel movements, ensuring efficient waste elimination and preventing the reabsorption of toxins into the body. By consuming chia seeds before bed, you provide your system with the nutrients and fiber needed to enhance detoxification, supporting overall health, digestion, and immune function as you sleep. Next, number 10. Helps prevent acid reflux. Nighttime acid reflux can be both uncomfortable and disruptive, often causing heartburn, throat irritation, and sleep disturbances. This condition occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, usually due to late-night meals, trigger foods, or lying down too soon after eating. Managing reflux naturally through dietary choices may offer relief. A 2018 study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that a fiber-enriched diet significantly increased lower esophageal sphincter, less pressure, and reduced reflux episodes in patients with non-erosive reflux disease, NERD. Since chia seeds are packed with soluble fiber, they can play a role in supporting digestive health. When soaked, chia seeds form a gel-like mucilage, which acts as a protective barrier in the stomach, potentially reducing esophageal irritation and soothing discomfort. Beyond chia seeds, other mucilage-rich foods like flax seeds and slippery elm have been traditionally used to ease acid reflux symptoms. Incorporating these into your nighttime routine may offer a natural, soothing approach to managing reflux and promoting restful sleep. Next, number 11. Strengthens immunity. As the body transitions into repair mode at night, it becomes an optimal time to support the immune system. A simple yet effective way to enhance immune function is by incorporating chia seeds into your evening routine. Beyond their well-known omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds are packed with antioxidants such as tocopherols, phytosterols, and polyphenolic compounds. These powerful compounds combat oxidative stress, reducing cellular damage and enhancing immune defenses. Additionally, chia seeds provide essential minerals like zinc and magnesium, both of which are crucial for strengthening the immune response and reducing inflammation. A 2022 study published in Antioxidants found that chia protein hydrolysates can modulate immune function by reducing pro-inflammatory markers while enhancing the production of anti-inflammatory cytokines. This means that consuming chia seeds before bed may help support immune balance while the body undergoes its natural overnight repair process. By incorporating chia seeds into your nighttime diet, you're not only boosting your nutrient intake but also fortifying your immune system, ensuring better overall health and resilience. Next, number 12. Improves sexual health. Many individuals face challenges with sexual health, including low libido, erectile dysfunction, and hormonal imbalances. These issues often stem from factors like poor circulation, oxidative stress, and nutrient deficiencies. Fortunately, incorporating nutrient-rich foods into your diet can provide a natural and effective solution. Adding chia seeds to your nighttime routine may offer significant benefits for sexual wellness. These tiny seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, magnesium, and powerful antioxidants, all essential for reproductive health. Zinc is particularly crucial, as it plays a key role in testosterone production, which directly influences libido and performance. Meanwhile, magnesium aids in muscle relaxation and blood flow, supporting erectile function. Additionally, antioxidants found in chia seeds help reduce oxidative stress, protecting reproductive cells from damage and enhancing fertility. A 2023 study published in the Yale Journal of Biology and Medicine explored the protective effects of chia seeds on reproductive health in male rats. The findings revealed that chia seed consumption improved sperm quality and reduced oxidative damage in testicular tissue, suggesting potential benefits for male fertility. By consuming chia seeds before bed, you provide your body with essential nutrients that may support hormonal balance, circulation, and overall sexual function, contributing to better reproductive health and well-being. Next, number 13. Prevents cancer. Cancer remains a major global health challenge, with lifestyle and dietary choices playing a crucial role in its development. Among the many natural foods with protective properties, chia seeds stand out due to their rich composition of bioactive compounds that may help in cancer prevention. These tiny seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants like quercetin and tocopherols, and dietary fiber, all of which contribute to their anti-cancer effects. Research suggests that these nutrients work together to combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. A 2024 study published in the Bulletin of the National Research Center found that chia seed extracts can suppress tumor growth and promote apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancer cells. The study revealed that chia seeds reduce the expression of oncogenes like MYC and PI3CA, which are commonly linked to cancer progression. Furthermore, chia seeds' high antioxidant content helps neutralize free radicals, which can damage DNA and trigger cancerous changes. Incorporating chia seeds into your evening routine may enhance these protective benefits, as the body undergoes cellular repair and detoxification during sleep. The slow release of nutrients from chia seeds supports cellular health and may reduce overall cancer risk, making them a valuable addition to a preventive diet. To maximize the health benefits of chia seeds at night, it's essential to consume them the right way. Since these tiny seeds absorb liquid and expand, they should always be soaked before eating to enhance digestion and nutrient absorption. One simple method is mixing a tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water, stirring well, and letting it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes until it forms a gel-like consistency. Drinking this before bed helps with hydration and supports digestion throughout the night. Another option is adding chia seeds to herbal tea, allowing them to steep for 10 minutes. This not only enhances relaxation but also promotes restful sleep. For those who prefer something more substantial, stirring 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into a smoothie or yogurt provides an extra dose of fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients while keeping late-night cravings in check. When it comes to how much chia seeds to take at night for optimal benefits, the recommended intake is between 1 to 2 tablespoons, or approximately 10 to 30 grams. Consuming more than this amount may lead to digestive discomfort due to the high fiber content. To prevent bloating or constipation, it's crucial to drink plenty of water when incorporating chia seeds into your diet. And that wraps up today's video. We've explored the incredible benefits of consuming chia seeds at night, how they enhance your health while you sleep, and the best ways to include them in your nighttime routine. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you take chia seeds before bed? If so, have you noticed any changes in your health? Share your experiences in the comments below. If this video was helpful, kindly type yes in the comment box and let us know which part of the video you found most valuable. Your feedback keeps us motivated to create more informative content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.